All right, guys, so let me explain how the components connect to each other. Please let me explain it before you even put any wires together, because I don't want you guys to make mistake. All right, so the first thing that we need to know is to get all our components. So we have our Arduino board, of course, the joystick, we used this one last week, the buzzer, we all know the buzzer. Then the new component that we are using is the Max 7219 display. You should have it in your kit, okay? So the first connection that we need to do is to take 5 volt and ground from our Arduino board and put it on this line, because most of our components we need 5 volts, right? So we don't want to be connecting it to the Arduino directly, right? So take a wire and put a 5 volt to the red line. So this is supposed to be on the red line in here. All right, then the ground should be in here. So if you do that, then you are done with the first step, okay? So 5 volts to this red line, ground to this blue line, okay? So now let's connect our buzzer. So my buzzer looks like the, but the one that you guys have, like it's a pin, right, not a wire. So you just put it inside, like directly inside this hole, right? Okay, so but the short leg, which is very difficult to find the difference, but the short leg, we so just take a wire and connect it to the ground in here, okay? All right, so then the long leg, so you put it inside this pin, then you connect, then you take another wire and connect it to pin 3, okay? So we are using pin 3, so let me confirm that pin 3 for our buzzer, okay? Yeah, pin 3. So connect this to pin 3 right here, okay? So if you do that, then you are done with the buzzer. Please check it again, the short leg to the ground and the long leg to pin 3, okay? So that's the first step. Then the second step is to connect our joystick, okay? So you guys remember that you have to put like a wire, like a female wire to this joystick. Let me show you guys how that looks, you know, for people that have not seen that. So this is the wire that you're going to use, right? This is the wire, and you can see how I connected it to the end of my joystick in here, okay? Cool. All right, so the ground, of course, is easy. So just take the ground and put it to where we have our ground. Again, I made a mistake. The 5 volts should go to this 5 volt in here, okay? Please don't make the same mistake. Now our VRX, okay? So just put the wire inside here, okay? And now take it and put it in A0 on the Arduino, okay? So VRX is A0. Let me confirm that. So you see, X is A0, okay? So then the next one, which is the VRY, so just put it in here, then take this and put the wire inside here. So you can connect it directly, but it's cleaner this way. So just take the wire, put it in this hole, then take another wire on this same row and take it and put it in your A1, okay? So X is A0, Y is A1, all right? Then this switch, although we are not using this switch, okay, but just connect it in here. You can actually leave it, but if you want to connect it, so connect it to this place and take it to pin 4, all right, please. So if you're able to do that, then you are done with your joystick, okay? It's very easy, but it looks complicated, but just follow it line by line. So now the big guy, the new guy, so which is this guy. So all you have to do is to first, the VCC, you take it to the 5 volt, then the ground, you take it to the ground, then the D in, right? So you take it, connect it to a hole, then take another wire and connect it to pin 11. So D in is pin 11. Let me confirm that. So you see, D in is pin 11. So connect it to this place, then take the wire and connect it to pin 11. All right, so the CS, so you connect it to this, to a hole, and take another wire and connect it to pin 10 of Arduino. So let's confirm that CS is 10. All right, then the clock is 13 CLK. So take it from here, you put it here, and then you take another wire and you put it to pin 13. All right, so this is how the circuit works. Please don't make mistakes, just follow it line by line, and I think everything should work fine. So let's now go to the code. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so I'm going to give you guys the code because it's a lot of code, but I will give you some to-dos, right? Just little code. But the first thing that we need to do, because we need a library to control our LED, so we need to install the library. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So in here, so just come to this icon in here, right? Then you type in here, so then you search for the library that we want to install. So just type for LED control. All right, so you see, then this will come up. You see, like I already installed it, but for you, this one, like it will show installed. And make sure that is the LED control by Eberhard Fallet, right? Then just click on install. When you click on install, then everything should install, because we need this plugin to make our LED control to work. Okay, so now that you've done that, all right, so the code is all in here. So all I want you guys to do is, so the first to do is this one. So in the code that I will give you guys, this line will not be there. Okay, so all you have to do is just write integer ball speed. Make sure that there is no typo. This is capital S. Okay, then make it 400. But if you increase this maybe like to 500 or 600, it will make the game to be easy, right? So you can play with this. So start with 400. If you play the game and you're not able to win, then you can increase it to 500. So this is the starting speed of the ball. All right, so that's to do 1. Then the to do 2, let me see, should be somewhere here. To do 2, okay, it's just the setup. So I will remove all this code. So just like 8 lines. All right, just write all of these. Make sure that you look at the case, lowercase and uppercase. Then the to do 3, which is the last one, is just for you to call all the functions that does the game. Okay, so to explain the game, I put comment in there, right? Just look at the code, and if you have any question, just let me know. So you can see this is our loop. So this draw game will be the one to start the game. This one will be the one to play the music. This will be the one function that moves the ball. When you move your joystick, it will move the ball. Then this one will read the value from the joystick, and this is the one that will put a delay on the ball speed, and this one will check if you win or not. Okay, so I think, yeah, that is all I have. So please, if you have question about the code, just let me know and I will explain it. I don't want to take too much time to make this video too long, since there are comments in here. So please just look at the code, and if you have question, let me know. All right, so this is the end of this video. Please, if your game is able to work, please kindly take the video and share the link, make a video and share the link in the comment section so that people can look at it, right? So then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my video and share it with other people. Like, it is really appreciated. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.